Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily English Talk. I'm Lily.
I'm Tom. If you're new here, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. I once fell asleep at my desk and woke up with a keyboard print on my face.
Tom!
True story. Very professional.
Today, we are talking about daily habits for working people. We will learn new vocabulary and we will practice together using a powerful speaking technique called shadowing.
So we learn words and practice speaking at the same time?
Exactly. Two things in one episode. Perfect for busy people with no time to waste.
Let's go.
But before we start, I have a question for you.
Ooh, question time.
In today's episode, Tom tells us about his morning routine before work, but he admits something a little embarrassing about one of his habits. What do you think it is?
Ooh, embarrassing. How embarrassing are we talking?
Write your guess in the comments right now. We read every single one. And stay until the end of the episode to find out the answer.
I'm already sweating.
Okay, Tom, let's talk about your morning. What does your typical workday morning look like?
Where do I begin? Okay, so my alarm goes off at 7 o'clock.
And you get up right away?
Absolutely not. I hit the snooze button at least 3 times.
Tom!
Look, the first alarm is just a warning. The second alarm means business. The third alarm is the real one.
That is the most Tom thing I have ever heard.
Okay, but after the third alarm, I do get up, I go to the kitchen, I make coffee, and then I stand at the window for about 5 minutes just staring.
Aw, staring at what?
Nothing, just the outside world. I call it my peaceful moment.
I call that not being awake yet.
Same thing. Then I get dressed, pack my bag, and I'm out the door.
Do you eat breakfast?
Lily, I have 5 minutes between alarm 3 and leaving the house. There is no breakfast.
Tom, breakfast is so important.
Yes, I know. I eat a granola bar in the elevator. Does that count?
It does not count.
Okay, what about you? What is your morning like?
So I wake up at 6:30. I have a glass of water first. Then I do 10 minutes of stretching.
10 minutes of stretching at 6:30 in the morning?
Every day.
And you are happy about this?
I love it. Then I make breakfast, read a little, and I leave the house feeling calm and ready.
I strongly dislike you right now.
The good news, Tom, is that good habits can be learned. That is what today's episode is all about.
Wait, so I could become a Lily?
You could become a better Tom.
That is fair.
Okay, let's talk about a very useful grammar point for daily habits. We use the simple present tense to talk about things we do regularly, every day, or as a routine.
Like, I wake up at 7 instead of I am waking up at 7.
Exactly right. Simple present tells us this is a habit, something that happens again and again. We often use it with time words like every day, always, usually, sometimes, and never.
Like, I always drink coffee in the morning.
Perfect example. Or, she usually takes the bus to work. The verb is simple, no extra words, just clean and clear.
And short, clear sentences are great for shadowing practice too, right?
Exactly. Simple present sentences are perfect for shadowing because they are natural and you use them every single day. Now let's learn our vocabulary words. Let's learn today's vocabulary words. All of these words are about daily habits for working people. Are you ready?
Ready. Let's go.
Our first word is routine. Let's spell it together. R-O-U-T-I-N-E. Routine.
What does routine mean?
A routine is a set of things you do regularly in the same order every day. It is your normal daily pattern.
Like wake up, coffee, stare out the window, leave. That is my routine.
It is. Not the best routine, but yes, it is yours. Here are two example sentences. First sentence, having a morning routine helps you start the day with less stress. Second sentence, she follows the same routine every workday morning.
Can I tell my routine story?
Please.
Okay, so for a long time, I had no routine. Every morning was complete chaos. I could not find my keys, my bag, my phone. Once I left the house wearing 2 different shoes.
No!
Yes, one black shoe, one brown shoe. I only noticed on the bus.
What did you do?
I got off at the next stop, walked home, changed, and was 40 minutes late for work.
And now?
Now I put everything by the door the night before. Routine. It saves lives. Or at least shoes.
Routine saves shoes. Write that down, everyone. Word number 2, commute. Spell it with me. C-O-M-M-U-T-E. Commute.
What is a commute?
A commute is the journey you make from your home to your workplace every day. To commute means to travel regularly between 2 places, usually home and work.
So, I commute to work means I travel to work every day.
Exactly. Example sentences. First, his commute takes 45 minutes by train every morning. Second, she listens to English podcasts during her commute to practice.
Oh, that is us. We are a commute podcast.
We are. So if you are listening on the bus or train right now, hello, you are using your commute perfectly.
My commute story. So my commute is 30 minutes on the subway. For years, I just looked at my phone, social media, videos, nothing useful.
And then?
And then I started using that 30 minutes to listen to English, podcasts, slow audio, shadowing, and my English improved so much just from that one change.
Aw, 30 minutes a day really adds up.
30 minutes times 5 days a week is 2.5 hours of English practice every week, just from my commute.
That is beautiful math, Tom.
I have my moments.
Word 3, productive. P-R-O-D-U-C-T-I-V-E. Productive.
What does productive mean?
Productive means doing useful things and making good use of your time. When you are productive, you finish important tasks and you feel good about your day.
So, a productive morning means you did useful things before work even starts.
Exactly. Example sentences. First, she has a very productive morning because she plans everything the night before. Second, listening to English during your commute is a productive habit.
My productive story. Okay, so I used to think productive meant doing 50 things at once. I had lists, apps, timers, sticky notes everywhere.
That sounds exhausting.
It was. I was always busy but never done. Nothing got finished. I just moved from task to task like a very stressed bee.
A stressed bee.
Then someone told me to pick just 3 things each day, 3 important things, and I suddenly felt so much more productive.
3 things done well is always better than 10 things half done.
Exactly. Now I finish my 3 things, I feel great, and I sometimes even do a bonus 4th thing.
Look at you, living dangerously. Word 4, deadline. D-E-A-D-L-I-N-E. Deadline.
Oh, this word gives me stress just hearing it.
A deadline is the time or date by which something must be finished. At work, deadlines are very common and very important.
Like, the report deadline is Friday at 5 o'clock.
Perfect. Example sentences. First, he always finishes his work before the deadline because he starts early. Second, missing a deadline at work can cause big problems for the whole team.
My deadline story. Okay, there was one time I completely forgot about a deadline. Completely forgot it existed.
Oh no.
I thought it was Thursday. It was Friday. I remembered at 4:55 in the afternoon.
5 minutes before the end of the day.
I typed so fast, my fingers were a blur. I submitted it at 4:59.
1 minute to spare.
1 minute. And it was actually pretty good work.
Pressure makes diamonds, Tom.
Or it makes very fast typing. Same thing.
Our last word for today is unwind. U-N-W-I-N-D. Unwind.
What does unwind mean?
To unwind means to relax after a period of stress or hard work. When you unwind, you let go of tension and give your mind a rest.
Ah, that sounds wonderful.
Example sentences. First, after a long day at work, she likes to unwind with a cup of tea and a good book. Second, it is important to unwind every evening so your body and mind can recover for the next day.
Okay, my unwind story. After work, I have a very specific unwinding ritual.
Tell us.
I change out of my work clothes immediately. The moment I get home, work clothes off, comfortable clothes on. It's like a signal to my brain that says, work is over. You are free now.
That is actually a really smart habit. It's a physical signal to your nervous system that the workday is finished.
And then I make tea, sit on the sofa, and do absolutely nothing for exactly 15 minutes.
Exactly 15 minutes?
I set a timer. 15 minutes of beautiful, peaceful nothing.
Aw, that is honestly quite lovely.
I am a complicated man, Lily.
Okay, everyone. Now it is time for our repeat words section. This is your moment to speak out loud. Do not be shy. No one can hear you except yourself and maybe your cat.
And your cat is very supportive, I am sure.
I'm going to say each vocabulary word slowly and clearly. Tom is going to repeat it with me, and you repeat it too, out loud at the same time. Ready?
Ready. Let's go together.
Routine.
Routine.
Routine. Say it one more time with us.
Routine. Your turn.
Commute. Commute. One more time.
Commute. Say it loud.
Commute. Productive.
Productive.
Productive. Again.
Productive. You are doing great.
Deadline.
Deadline.
Deadline. One more time.
Deadline. Keep going.
Unwind.
Unwind.
Unwind. And one more time.
Unwind. Beautiful.
Wonderful. Now let's repeat full sentences. I will say each sentence slowly. Tom repeats with me. You repeat with us. Out loud.
Here we go.
I follow a morning routine every workday.
I follow a morning routine every workday.
Say it one more time. I follow a morning routine every workday.
Your turn.
I follow a morning routine every workday.
My commute takes 30 minutes by train.
Again, my commute takes 30 minutes by train.
My commute takes 30 minutes by train. Say it with us.
I try to be productive every morning.
I try to be productive every morning. Yes,
I always check my deadlines the night before.
I always check my deadlines the night before.
Again, I always check my deadlines the night before.
I always check my deadlines the night before. Almost done.
In the evening, I unwind with music and a warm drink.
In the evening, I unwind with music and a warm drink.
Last time, in the evening, I unwind with music and a warm drink.
You did it!
That was fantastic. You just repeated 5 words and 5 full sentences out loud. That is real English speaking practice right now, today.
Give yourself a huge round of applause. You showed up, you spoke, and that is everything.
Now we want to hear from you.
Tell us in the comments, what time do you wake up for work? And do you have a morning routine?
Write your answer in English. Even one sentence is wonderful. Our community is here to cheer you on every step of the way.
We read every comment, every single one. We love hearing about your lives and your routines.
Oh, you inspire us more than you know, truly. And that is a wrap on today's Daily English Talk episode.
If this episode helped you, please hit that thumbs up button. It helps more working people all around the world find this channel.
And please subscribe because we upload a brand new English lesson every single day. Every day. No days off, just like a great work routine.
Unlike my morning routine, our upload routine is very, very reliable.
Until next time, keep practicing, keep repeating, and remember,
Your English is getting better every day.
see you tomorrow.